Assalamualaikum. In this video I am going to tell you how to create your own promo code in OneXBet. To create your own promo code in OneXBet, first you need to find the manager. I'll leave contact details of manager in the description of this video. So why you need promo code? When you use promo code while registering the account, you will get 25% from the loss of the player if you use your promo code like this. I'll come to this part later. For now I'll tell you how to get manager. To get your manager, I'll leave the WhatsApp of manager in the description of this video also. So what should you tell to the manager? First you need to tell affiliate link. You need to ask for affiliate link. And then if she will give you affiliate link, you have to register with the affiliate link she provide you. To register, when she give you affiliate links, just open and register your account. Put your first name, surname, your email, your language, you can put any. This is not necessary, this is not necessary. Here you will put the number, here you will put your country and click on next page. This will open. They will ask for site. You can just put anything, just random.com, example.com or anything. Okay, and next is this is for commission receiving account. When you bring lot of players, they will lose, you will get 25%. So this is commission receiving account. You can create new OneXBet ID. This is new OneXBet ID. You have to put here and you have to choose player account. If you have Bitcoin account, you can choose here BTC and put BTC account here. So if you don't have any, just choose player account and put your player account number here. So next part is you will create login and password and complete. You have to click here, and after this your affiliate account will be created but not activated. For activating the affiliate account, you need to again contact to the manager, and once you are done, just send your manager email and promo code. Here see, please activate my promo code, email promo code. Like this you can send to your manager. When she said hello activated, then you can use promo code. So how to use promo code? To use the promo code, you have to, when somebody registered account, you have to tell them to use your promo code. See, you can see this is your promo code, this MS India 44 or something. This is your promo code. When somebody use this promo code and register the account and you have to check in your affiliate account, you will see one registration, and you in 1-2 months you will add a lot of players. Then the traffic will be like this. See how many players you register: 31, deposits 15, new deposit $29,000, your commission in a single day $1,700 commission. And when you work for a few months, you will get like, say, every month you are earning this much amount. In total, this is I earned almost $60,000. So if you have a lot of players, you can join affiliate program. Here on Tuesday you will able to receive withdraw from your commission. This commission you will receive on Tuesday. You need to tell your manager on Monday. Okay, the next is, here is WhatsApp, you can contact. Here is Telegram, you can contact. After that you can easily earn from affiliation program of OneXBet affiliation program.